Now we will be discussing another important topic in EDA, which is outliers and how to handle outliers. An outlier is an observation that deviates so much from other observations as to arouse suspicion that it was generated by a different mechanism. Outlier detection and treatment are critical parts of data pre-processing in statistics and data analysis. Identifying outliers. Outliers can be identified using various methods. Statistical tests, z-scores, where observations more than 3 standard deviations from the mean are often considered outliers. Interquartile range, IQR method, identifies outliers by marking data points that fall below Q1, 1.5, IQR or above Q3, plus 1.5, IQR. Grubbs's test detects one outlier at a time based on the largest deviation from the mean. Visualization tools, boxplots, illustrate the spread of the data and identify values that fall far from the rest. Outliers are typically the dots beyond the whiskers. Scatter plots display data points in 2 dimensions, and outliers may appear far off from the cluster of other data points. Histograms show the distribution of data, and outliers can be spotted as bars that are isolated from others. Now moving to impact of outliers on data analysis. Outliers can significantly distort the mean and standard deviation, leading to misleading conclusions. They can skew the results of statistical tests and violate the assumptions of parametric tests, such as normality. In regression analysis, outliers can disproportionately affect the slope and intercept of the line, leading to an inaccurate model. Now moving to methods for treating outliers. Deletion. Removing outliers can be an option if they're due to errors or if they don't fit the scope of the study. Transformation, such as log transformation, to reduce the effect of extreme values. Capping, implementing thresholds to limit values to a specified range. Imputation, replacing outliers with more representative values based on other observations. Binning, grouping data into categories or bins, which can sometimes mitigate the effect of outliers. The method of handling outliers must be chosen carefully, as it can significantly influence the outcome of data analysis. Deletion may lead to loss of information, while imputation and transformation can introduce bias if not done correctly. Each method must be considered in the context of the dataset and the analytical objectives.